If you are interested to buy the material, below any video of my channel, below the video on the information field, you can find all my contact methods, my Facebook page address, and my email address. Just send me a message via Facebook page or send me an email for the detail will be okay. Okay, now let's get started for the tutorial. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the third idea about decorate the acrylic hook stand with our iron lip wire. If you want to know how to assemble this hook stand and my other ideas about decorate the hook with my other material, please check my other tutorial. Find the link on the information field below this video will be okay. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, I take off hook. And very simple. Just red the lip wire because they are iron wire inside, so you can bend it so it can wear red on the hook. I will show you the effect. Okay, now this is the effect after I use 2 lip wire and wrap around 1 layer around the hook. The leaves looks not full enough, so I will add another layer. I'll show you the effect. Okay, let's get it. Because I don't have enough leaf wire sample on hand, so this half of this hole I wrap 3 layers of the leaf wire, but this from here to here just 2 layers of the leaf wire, so this part the leaf will be much more full than this, but this part. But anyway, the effect not bad. So in fact, if you use 3 layers of the lip wire, will be quite enough. Okay, then I will add some LED light on it. And this is the effect. I show you just the iron lip wire without adding more other type of lip wire. It will be much more clear, simple, but very beautiful. So I do really love it. If you because we don't use so many flower lip wire, that will help you to keep the budget. The effects are very beautiful also because our clean hook stand. So after you rest the lip wire, you cannot see the hook. It's just like you just make the hook with the lip wire only. So very special, very beautiful. Okay, then I add some LED light and put on hand on the bubble. And also I add another leaf white to make it look much more full. But since I already used all of my leaf white, so this part will do not full as the top part. And this time I add the lip white like this. But this kind of lip white, there are no iron wire inside. But this type of the lip, because they are the color are matched. Okay, so let's turn on the light. Beautiful. Look, it looks not round enough just because the leaf white are not. I put a lot lip white here, but less lip white here, so you can find the hope is not round enough. But if you make it with enough lip white to red on the hope, the effect will be much more pretty. Okay, let's turn off the light of my room, and I will use another cell phone. Okay, now I change another cell phone which perform better in darker environment. In fact, the reality in fact will be much more pretty than you look at from the screen. It's very beautiful, very romantic. Okay, let me turn on the lights of my room. Okay, I turn on the light of the room. The effects are very pretty in reality. Let's check the detail. And I suddenly got another idea. Since I add some lip white with this dye white, we can add some flower on the spine. Put some small flower. Let's check it on the spine. So how about we put some small flower? I will show you the effect. Okay, now this is the small flower I have. I like to use some white color. It's very simple. For example, this lip white in the middle of the leaf, we can put on a flower. Okay, so I will show you the effect after I put some flower on the lip white. Okay, so this is the effect after I put some small flowers. Let's turn on the light. Oh, no. the effect will be much more pretty. Okay, let me turn off the light of my room and change another cell phone to show you the effect. Okay, this is what it looked like after I turn on the light of my room. The reality will be much more beautiful than is shown from the screen. Okay, then I turn on the light of my room. Let's check it again. Okay, then this is today's tutorial. If you want to know how to assemble the acrylic hook stand, you can check my old video. And also, if you want to see other ideas about decorate the hole with different types of my material, you can check my other tutorial. Also, find the link on the information field below this video. Also, if you want to know the price of all my material, send me a message via FB link, via my Facebook page for the price and detail. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.